I'm Rex, and I've been pro scootering for 8 years now. And I got skills, boy. Skills. Now, skills. Oh, yeah. Someone's cold today, 71 degrees. Well, I'm gonna go take me a scooter ride. Get that camera away. Post Scooter Rex. Rex is going for a ride. Raise the leg. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Raise the leg, boy. What did I tell you? You better get that. You get that camera. You better get that camera with me.
Oh God, he fell into the pool!
I can't. Oh. Told you to get that camera. That dang camera! I'm gonna kill you.